WordPress website hacking tools, a comprehensive guide for ethical hackers and security professionals. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites, making it a prime target for cybercriminals and a critical focus for ethical hackers and penetration testers. Understanding the tools used to exploit WordPress vulnerabilities is essential for securing websites, whether you're a security researcher, bug bounty hunter, or system administrator. This guide covers the most powerful WordPress hacking tools used in ethical hacking, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessments, ensuring you can identify weaknesses before malicious actors do. Before attacking a WordPress site, ethical hackers perform reconnaissance to gather critical information. WPScan is the gold standard for WordPress vulnerability scanning. It detects outdated plugins, weak passwords, and misconfigurations by querying the WordPress vulnerability database. Pair it with Nikto, a web server scanner that identifies risky file permissions, exposed admin panels, and SSL misconfigurations. For deeper analysis, OWASP-ZAP, Z-Attack Proxy, automates crawling and vulnerability detection, while Burp Suite intercepts HTTP requests to manipulate form submissions, cookies, and authentication flows. To map a WordPress site's structure, Deerbuster or GoBuster brute force directories, uncovering hidden login pages /wp-admin, backup files /wp-config.php.back, and exposed database dumps. Meanwhile, sublist 3R enumerates subdomains linked to the target, which may reveal additional attack surfaces. Once vulnerabilities are identified, ethical hackers use exploitation tools to test security weaknesses safely. Metasploit framework includes WordPress-specific modules like wp_admin_shell_upload, which exploits file upload flaws to gain a reverse shell. For brute-forcing WordPress logins, Hydra and Medusa automate password attacks against xmlrpc.php, a common weak point. SQLmap is critical for testing SQL injection vulnerabilities in WordPress plugins like WooCommerce or Contact Form 7. A simple command like SQLmap http://example.com/?ID =1, risk =3, level =5. Batch can extract database credentials, user tables, and even remote code execution, RCE, if select into outfile is enabled. For cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF testing, XS Hunter and Beef, browser exploitation framework, help hijack admin sessions via malicious JavaScript payloads. After gaining initial access, hackers escalate privileges to maintain persistence. WPS Shell is a stealthy PHP backdoor disguised as a WordPress plugin, allowing command execution via the dashboard. C99 PHP Web Shell provides file management, database access, and even cron job manipulation for long-term control. If wp-config.php is accessible, attackers extract database credentials, db_user, db_password, to pivot into the server. Tools like MySQL UDF exploit can escalate database access to full root shell if MySQL runs with high privileges. Ethical hackers must also know how to secure WordPress sites. WordFence and SecureEye offer real-time firewall protection, malware scanning, and login hardening. Snort, IDS, detects brute force attacks, while Fail2ban automatically blocks malicious IPs. For forensic analysis, Maldet scans for injected malware, and Reconnaissance detects rootkits. Warning: unauthorized hacking is illegal. Only use these tools on your own sites or with explicit permission. Free resources: WPScan CLI, OWASP-ZAP, Metasploit Unleashed, like and share to spread cybersecurity awareness.